Greetings everyone. Welcome to the world of oregano, where vibrant flavors meet unbeatable health benefits. This lively herb isn't just a staple in your pizza. It's a powerhouse of wellness right in your garden. Oregano is a fantastic addition to any herb garden, and for good reason. It's not just about its delicious flavor. This herb boasts some impressive health benefits. Known for its ability to enhance digestive health, alleviate respiratory issues, and act as a natural antimicrobial agent, oregano is truly a gift from nature. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties also make it a champion in maintaining overall wellness. When it comes to taking care of your oregano, it's a breeze. It requires moderate watering. Just keep an eye on the top inch of soil and water when it's dry. This resilient plant loves the sun, so make sure it's basking in full sunlight to thrive. Oregano grows best in the warm months of spring and summer, and you can harvest its leaves and stems whenever you need them. It thrives in well-drained, sandy or loamy soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.5. Medicinally, oregano does more than spice up your food. It's renowned for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, helping to fend off infections and support respiratory health. It can also ease digestive issues, and may even have some benefits for reducing inflammation and pain. Bring the zest and zestiness to your life with our oregano, your ultimate herbal hero for flavor and health. So whether you're adding a dash of spice to your meals or reaping the benefits of its medicinal properties, oregano is a must-have for your garden and kitchen. Enjoy the myriad ways this herb can boost both your dishes and your health. Well, this is SMF, botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.